Our topic is for hand hygiene and proper sequence of donning and doffing of our PPE. First, the power of hand hygiene. Hand washing or hand hygiene. Hand hygiene is the easiest and most effective action. It removes germs or microorganisms, reduces infections, and improves community health. Small daily habits create powerful impact, protecting both individuals and society globally. Why hand hygiene matters? Why this important? So, our hands touch many dirty surfaces like our doorknobs, table, surrounding of our patient in the hospitals, like for example the IV stand, the monitor of the patient when we are doing vital signs, the thermometer, the blood pressure up or BP up. Next, carry harmful germs everywhere. Germs enter through eyes, nose, mouth. It cause sickness easily. Clean hands prevent spread of the infection. Common diseases prevented. First, we have flu and colds, and then our diarrhea cases, COVID-19 infections, or influenza, respiratory problems, many bacterial illnesses. Okay, these are our 5 moments of hand hygiene. I think they discussed a while ago this one, so I will just repeat again. Before touching a patient, example of before touching a patient. What have you done before touching a patient?
Hand wash.
Yeah, you are doing hand. You will do hand washing, but what what you did before touching patient? So maybe you went to the bathroom, you touched the knob before entering the room. So it means your hand is contaminated. Okay, always think that your hand is contaminated. Okay. Next, before a clean or aseptic procedure. What do you mean by aseptic procedure? Can you give me an example of aseptic procedure? Giving injection, yes.
Giving injection, food, and
Aseptic.
Dressing wound.
Aseptic means sterile procedure. So, IV cannulation, this is one. Also, wound dressing or wound caring. And also, most common is in operating room, the doing surgery. So, these are the sterile procedure or aseptic procedure. Okay? And then, after body fluid exposure risk, any example for body fluid exposure? Guys, we just discussed a while ago.
blood,
Yeah, okay, blood spill
sweating.
can be.
Urine.
Yeah, sweating. If your patient is diaphoresis, means excessive sweating.
Urine.
Yes, when you drain the urine in the urine drainage. If vomiting,
Saliva.
yes, salivation means when you are doing suctioning, when you do suctioning of the patient. Okay? And then after touching a patient, of course, after you touch the patient, you have to do hand washing also. After touching patient surroundings, what are those equipments in the surrounding of the patient?
Hand rubbing, monitor,
Sorry?
Monitor.
Yeah, the bed, the monitor, the IV stand, the bed itself of the patient, the pillow, the blanket, the monitor, thermometer, and etc. So, these are your 5 moments of hand hygiene. Next, this is the proper hand washing step or proper hand rubbing. Wet hands and apply soap or sanitizer. I will demonstrate. So I will do hand rubbing. Then make it rub it palm to palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then back of your palm or dorsum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then next, rub right palm over back of the left hand with interlaced fingers and vice versa. That is the one where we do a while ago. So rub palm to palm with fingers interlaced like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then rub back of fingers to opposing palms with fingers interlocked. This one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then rotational rubbing of left thumb clasped in right palm and vice versa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or you can do also like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, rotational rubbing of fingertips in opposite palm and rotational rubbing of wrist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So of course, if you are doing hand washing, you will dry it with the towel. Okay. And then when you turn off the faucet, you have to use your tissue to turn it off. Or you can use your elbow. Okay. In operating room, what they're doing is they have automatic to turn off and turn on, or by the knees, turn on, then the other side is turn off. Okay, again, there's a video para ano na talaga, maging common na sa inyo. This is animation. Okay. Okay, for our conclusion, hand washing is small or simple but powerful. Clean hands protect the health, prevent disease, and save lives. Together, let us build daily hand hygiene habits for a cleaner, safer, and healthier world. Yes, hello. Next, we will go to PP. Okay, so for our PPE, we have here our personal protective equipments. We have our gown, we have our face mask, we have our face shield, and we have our gloves. So we will discuss one by one. So here, gown, indication for the gown use, protect from contamination of clothing with potentially infectious materials. So basically it will protect your inner clothing. Then next, gown should be worn as a part of standard precaution or contact precautions. Types, we have our clean isolation gown, which is what we have now, and our sterile gown. Sterile gown, we are using it in which department in the hospital? Usually in
Surgery.
surgery or in operating room. Okay, how to put on the PPE? Later that I will demonstrate. Next, our face or surgical mask. Protect nose and mouth from exposure to respiratory secretions and sprays of blood or body fluids. Surgical mask should be worn as a part of standard precautions or droplet precautions. So, sa droplet precaution siya. For the standard face mask, but for the N95, it is for the airborne precaution. How to put on a particular respirator, later that. Then next, our goggles or our face shield to protect our eyes and face from the splashes or body fluid splashes. And then we have our gloves. We have 3 types. We have sterile gloves. We have our utility gloves and our non-sterile gloves. Non-sterile gloves, the example is like this. Non-sterile gloves. Sterile gloves is for the in the operating room, and for the utility gloves, where we are using this one. Which department usually they are using the utility gloves? Cleaning, yes.
Housekeeping.
Housekeeping. Yeah, but usually, mostly, which area? Where do you think? Sir, saan po, sir? CSSD department. Doon, you are using utility gloves sa decontamination area. Because in the contamination area, they are using utility gloves to prevent sharp injuries or needle sticks. Okay? Because in the decontamination area, they are cleaning the dirty instruments from all the departments, usually in OR or in OPD clinics like dental. This is the instruments that we need to re-sterilize, reusable. So they will send to the contamination area to clean it. So they will use utility gloves to prevent sharp injuries and needle sticks. Okay, that is our 3 types of glove. Now, we'll demonstrate now the sequence of proper donning of PPE. So first, we will use gown. Make sure that it will not reach the floor. Now, if you are small, you can tie this one so that it will not reach the floor. Like this. Tie in the back side first, in the lower part. Next, the upper part. Okay. Now, which next?
Next.
Mask. Okay. Wait, for the gown, if you are big or you are fat like Sir Chris, what you will do? Yeah, because it will not fit.
The front, the back.
Yeah, you will do double gown. You can wear the other one like a jacket, then you can tie, and then the other one for the front. Okay. Now, we don't have the my tie. Now, your face mask. If you're wearing the, if you will use the face mask with a tie, first you have to tie the upper part.
Yeah.
Upper part, then lower part. And then fit, you can pinch here in your nose to fit to properly fit the face mask. Okay. What if you are flat nose? What if bahala ka na dyan. Next, your goggles or your face shield. You only have one face shield? Okay. So, just wear like this and strap to your back. Okay. Then last, your gloves. Okay, for the gloves, make sure that it is your size. Okay? And then tuck it in. There should not be a skin exposed. Okay? It should be covered all. Okay? For the doffing, first, which one? What do you think? Gloves. How you will remove it?
First finger.
Wrong. Correct.
Ay.
Grab the gloves from the palm. And then
And then pass.
insert your index finger. Bag it in the other gloves. And then dispose it to the general waste if heavy soiled in biohazard. Okay? For example, what's next? The face shield. Okay. When removing face shield, make sure don't remove or touch in front because this is contaminated. Okay? You have to remove like this. Only the strap you will touch. Then throw. Ah, wait! We forget something. After removing, what we will do? Hand hygiene. Okay, after removing, hand hygiene. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No one remind me.
No, I remember, but I think no.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you can remove your
This is
facial. Then show. Next. No. Hand hygiene. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sir Chris.
Yes, sir.
3, 4, 5. Next, what's next? What's next? Your face mask. Okay. When removing face mask, if you're using the tie, with tie, which area first to remove?
first down.
Yeah. First,
Bottom.
remove the bottom tie. And then, why? What's the reason why you need why the bottom first?
If you remove the mask is getting down.
Yes, perfect. And then the upper tie. Then throw. Mali. It's not the face mask. It's the gown first. This is the last thing. Okay, gown first. Okay. First, the bottom tie again.
Yeah.
Okay.
Some people do it, what do you call, they wreck it, but it's not acceptable. You will just, what do you call this? Because it's already infected.
Again,
Okay? You will, ang tawag dito?
again, don't let it reach the floor because you will spread the
Infection.
infection. Okay, and then do like this. Do not touch the outside part. You can roll it, or you can direct remove. Make sure it will not reach the floor, and like this, and then roll away from your body. Okay, and then general waste. If heavy soil in the biohazard. Okay. Next, hand hygiene. Okay. For example, I'm done with my hand hygiene. Then, your face mask. Okay. Lower tie, then upper tie. Then, throw. Okay. Any question? Are you ready for your skill? Okay. Who's gonna do it first? Any volunteer?
Go, no harm in trying.
One. Can you do the hand hygiene first? Sir, magsalita ka.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Demonstrate
ko pa sir. Okay, I do on hand hygiene. First, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Up the palm. Then back of the palm. Interlacing the fingers.
4, 5.
Vice versa.
3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5.
Tapit ka.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
Okay, and
Then, PPE. We're running of PPE. First.
first I use I wear the glove gown. Pwede ba dire-diretso lang sir?
Yun.
For ito na sir.
Pero sir, sa test the
Kailangan i-demonstrate.
dapat nagsasalita. Next.
Next I use face mask.
Okay. Okay, after face mask.
Gloves.
No.
Face shield.
Okay.
And next the
Gloves.
gloves.
Cover all that. Okay.
Okay sir.
Okay. Do the doffing.
Pencil duffing.
Remove first the.
Gloves.
Okay.
And this one.
No.
This one.
Okay.
And put
Insert your finger.
under.
Then back it in. Then
Throw. After that, use
hand hygiene.
hand hygiene again. 3, 4, 5.
Okay. Tapos na. Done. Next, for the gown. For
For
the.
the
Hindi. Your. face.
Ah, the face shield. Okay. The throat. Hand hygiene again. And next is the lap gown.
Okay.
Hindi na matanggal. Okay.
Okay. Roll it. Do not touch the outside.
Yeah, the outside part.
Roll it. 3 base standard transmission precaution.
Basic.
Standard transmission precaution.
Basic and
Transmission based precaution.
the basic air control. Wait lang sir. Nalalagay na ako.
Tatlo. Red, green, and blue.
The lang sir. Nalalagay na ako eh.
Contact.
Yeah, contact the Taki ako minagano. Kalimutan mo na agad sir. Contact yung true blood sir.
Droplet.
Droplets, tapos yung area.
Airborne.
Airborne.
Okay. Then, tell me the 5 moments of hand hygiene.
Like the moments before touching the patient, aseptic,
Before doing aseptic procedure. Tatlong before, dalawang after.
may toxic ba yun, sir? Is it toxic? Before touching the patient, aseptic. Yung part sir is after the touching the patient and after touching the object of the
Patient
patient
surrounding.
surrounding.
May isang lang isa.
Yung nasa gitna is
After body fluid.
after body fluid.
Exposure.
You know that.
2 types of gown.
The lab gown and the surgical gown.
Sterile gown. 3 types of gloves.
3 types of gloves.
Nakasabit lang.
Surgical gown.
Surgical gloves, which is the sterile gloves. Ano to?
Casual.
Normal gloves.
Normal gloves and operation.
No.
Ano yun, sir?
Utility gloves.
Utility.
For the sharp objects.
Yung sabi mo, sir.
2 types of face mask.
N95 and the
Respirator and the surgical mask.
mask.
Okay, thank you.
Finish na.
Next.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Paano naman yung next?
First, yung lower part. Second mo sa upper part. Next is face mask.
Face mask. Next.
Make sure it's big. And then facial.
Next.
Gloves.
Make sure to cover on the skin. Okay. Finish namin then. Now, doffing.
That.
Removing.
First,
First,
the first one is the gloves.
gloves, okay.
Pinch. And
Very good.
then,
Insert your finger and then cut it. Check it out.
Yeah.
Next.
The next one is here. Hand.
Hand.
One. And back. Vice versa. Come flat. One. And then here.
Then, next.
And then face mask. Oh, facial.
Do not touch the front area.
Yes.
Okay, remove from the straw. Okay, next.
Next is the gum.
For example,
Tapos na.
Yes.
Okay. Ang dami. Sobrang basa. And then the gum. The first that I'm going to remove is the water.
Okay.
Make sure it will not go down. Reach the floor. Ay, pati.
But do not touch the front.
Ganun pa
Yung
siya.
tahi lang.
Okay.
Next. Oh, roll it. Roll it. Roll mo away from your body. Good. Yeah, roll it. Then,
Throwing the
next
hand
hygiene.
And
Then,
then the last one is the mask.
yes.
So, yun ba? Isang mask is, yung may, ano dito?
Yes. First is the
First is the lower.
bottom, and then the.
And then the upper.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Wait lang.
Wait, wait.
What are the three transmission-based standard precaution? Transmission-based precaution.
Transmission based precaution. Contact.
Mm-hmm.
Before naman na. Wala ka, kalimutan.
Contact.
Ano yun? Kalimutan ko lang ko. Wait mo. Contact. Airborne.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Coherent.
ano yung coherent?
Droplets.
Droplets.
Next. 5 moments of hand hygiene.
5 moments of hand hygiene.
Before
Before contact the patient.
touching the patient.
Before touching the patient. Before aseptic
Procedure.
procedure. Number 3 is before,
After.
after risk. Ano yung risk na yun?
After exposure of.
After risk.
Exposure of body fluid.
Body fluid. After. Sige lang ha. Kalimutan ko. Wala talaga akong servisyo. Wala akong tulog. Body fluid. Tapos, after.
Touching patient. After touching the patient. After.
After touching the patient pa? After touching the surrounding of the patient. Oh my
2 types of gown.
2 times of gown. Surgical.
Surgical gown, which is the sterile gown. Sterile gown and surgical gown is
Same.
the same. Anong tawag yun?
General.
Okay lang.
General.
Okay.
General.
3 types of gloves.
Stereo, non-stereo, at saka general. Yeah. General standard.
Ito yung non-sterile. Non-sterile is general.
General standard.
Ano yung patlo? Yung sabi ko kanina. Utility
Utility.
gloves. Heavy duty gloves. 2
Two
types of face mask.
N95 and general.
Surgical.
Surgical.
Okay, thank you.